Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at a song titled Awake My Soul by Hillsong Worship. So today's song is in the key of F major. Okay, so this song comprises of a intro, 3 verses, an interlude, and a bridge. So I'm just gonna start off with the intro. So the intro is very simple. It's just 2 chords, F major and B flat major. Now I'm playing B flat major in the first inversion. Oh, sorry, it's the second inversion. So this is how you would normally play it in root position. And I've taken the F and I've dropped it right here. You can also play the F major as a F major 7, or you can play it in the form of an inversion as well. So really just depends on your taste. I prefer it this way because I'm keeping all my chords in one place, and it sounds better when you're moving from one chord to the next. So the intro has a riff, and I'm just gonna play the riff now, and then I'll play it slowly. So it starts on A, goes to B flat, to C, and to F. So it sounds like this. Okay, and this is what it sounds like when played very slow. I'm gonna play it with both hands. And that is the intro. So now let's move on into the verses. Sorry, the first verse and the second verse, they have the same chords, and the third verse is slightly different. And I'll show you just in a minute what I mean. So the third verse doesn't include the last line from the first verse and the second verse. So I'm just going to show you how you play the first verse and the second verse. So the first verse and the second verse are exactly the same. There is nothing different about them in terms of the chord structure. It's just the third verse where you omit the last line. So the first verse and the second verse, they start off with the F, going into the B flat, F again, to B flat, and going to the F, B flat, now D minor, and back to B flat. Okay, so when they're playing this verse, they are still playing the riff that they're playing in the intro. So with all these chords, they are still playing this riff line. So that is how you play the first and the second verse. Then straight after that they go into the chorus, which starts on F. So the chorus, so let's sing His praise, sing His praise. Okay, so this is what I'm playing for the chorus. We start on the F chord, F major chord, and we're giving this 4 beats. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 to B flat, 3 beats, 2, 3, C, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so I'll just write on top of the chord. So you see a number on top of the chord, on the chord chart above. That number will represent how many beats you're gonna give that specific chord. So as you can see on F, it has the number 4 above it. So we're gonna give F 4 beats. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. When we get to B flat, we give it 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. C gets 1 beat. 1. D minor gets 2 beats. B flat gets 2 beats, and then C gets 4 beats. So I'm just gonna play the whole chorus again. Awake my soul and sing His praise, sing His praise, ooh, awake my soul and sing His praise, sing His praise aloud. So now we go into the third verse. Third verse, it's the same as the previous verses. The only difference is that they omit the last line. So you just play F, B flat, F again, B flat. Now they go back to the chorus. Wake my soul and sing His praise. So yeah, basically that's how the third verse goes. So the bridge starts on the B flat major to F to C, G minor, and B flat to F, back to C, and B flat, and F, C, G minor, B flat, F, C. So you're giving each chord 2 beats, but the last C chord you're giving it 4 beats. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last part of the bridge where they sing hey, oh, uses the same chords as well. So yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you do subscribe, and feel free to go down in the comment section and put in your requests. Thanks for tuning in this time, and I hope to see you again very soon. Cheers, guys.